Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, today I have a very simple, easy, and quick air fryer recipe for you. This recipe is great for a quick snack, appetizer. It also will go great as like maybe a little bit of a side if you want to have some Mediterranean meatballs or salad or whatever. It's air fryer pita chips. Yep, air fryer pita chips. I am making a Greek version of it. The only thing I am using is pita bread, and I have this seasoning here, Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. Let me show that to you. I will link it below. I'm pretty sure I bought this on Amazon, and I'll link that below. But with that said, you can do anything you want at all on this. You can do just some sea salt and pepper on there with a little bit of, and I will be using olive oil, excuse me. I'm gonna brush it with olive oil. You can use any kind of Parmesan cheese and some Italian seasonings. Whatever you prefer, you can just put on there. You just take about a half of a teaspoon of it. We're gonna go ahead and just brush this with some olive oil and then just sprinkle this on there. And friends, it's that simple. Now with that said, I am going to use my pita chips for dipping in hummus. And I love the hummus that has the olives in it. I can't remember what it's called. I know it starts with a T, but I have not been able to find it in the stores anywhere, and I mean anywhere. It's driving me insane. So I just have some plain hummus, and I ended up chopping up some black olives, green olives, and Kalamata olives, and added a little bit of garlic in there. So I'm going to take my plain hummus and mix that together with a little bit of olive oil, and that's what I will be using to dip my pita chips in. My friends, this is a very simple, fast, and easy recipe. So let's just turn the camera down and let's go ahead and open up our pita bread. Okay, I think I'll probably do two. So the only thing you need to do is slice your pita bread into triangles. Just like that. Okay, put this off to the side. We'll do this one here. My husband will probably eat some of these with me because he does like them. That. All right, now I'm going to let me put this aside real quick. I am going to take my handy dandy brush, and I am just going to brush some olive oil on my pita bread, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and take my seasoning. I am just going to gently, this seasoning you got to be very careful with because it does come out fast. But I love this seasoning so much. It's so good. Alright, let me get my tray out. There we go. And I'm just going to go ahead and place these on the tray, just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the other one real quick. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put these in the air fryer on 325. We're gonna put them in for 4 minutes. And then I'm going to just toss them around a little bit and then put them back in for another 4 minutes. But I'm going to watch them closely just to make sure we don't overcook them. Okay, friends. Get my little handy dandy. Flip them over a little bit. Crisping up nicely. Probably should have coated both sides of these. I wasn't really thinking. That would have been smart, huh? Okay, I'm gonna put it in for about 3 minutes just to keep a close eye on it, and then we'll check it at the 3-minute mark. Okay, friends, yeah, 3 minutes was just enough. I think 4 minutes would definitely have been too much. All right. Oh, perfect. Yep. Perfect. Look at that. Delicious. Let me go ahead and get it plated up real quick. Oh, let me just quickly show you before I plate it up. Hold on. All right. I have some hummus here, just plain old hummus. And then I just have my chopped olives, and put this down so you guys can see. I am just putting a dash of olive oil on top. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put in my olives and garlic. I think I chopped way too much up. Just like that. And there you have it, friends. Just like that. My favorite. I'll eat those olives left over. Alright, let me go ahead and plate these up real quick. Alright, my friends, so there it is. Oh, so delicious. I'm going to try one without the hummus first. They're so good. Oh, I love them. I know, I'm crazy. Friends, I'm gonna double dip. Nobody else is eating this but me. Maybe the hubby. Oh. I'm telling you, friends. I've made the pita many a times. Every time, they're just such a hit. Love them. Love them. So friends, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it was a short, quick, easy air fryer recipe. This makes a great appetizer, just a great snack. I love this one so much, and it takes, as you saw, it's very quick to make, no problem at all. So friends, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, as it does greatly help me out. And don't forget to hit that little bell, because it will notify you every time I have a new video coming out. We are still in Air Fryer February, so don't forget to check out my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter and Pinterest media sites as well, because I will be posting links to other air fryer recipes, and I'll also be posting links to the videos that I do as well. So friends, thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!